The hydro-ion alkaline water, KAE-S88 Promax, doubles efficiency with 3 alkaline levels, 7 platinum-coated electrodes. For the first time in the world, a new safety breakthrough presents the hydro-ion alkaline Karofi KAE-S88 Promax model. Applying hydro-ion electric technology and ankle-light Direk utilizes 7 platinum-coated titanium electrodes for electrode endurance, up to 5 years of use, and up to 10 years with KAE-S88 Promax, featuring nitro-ion electrolysis technology with 2 platinum-coated titanium electrodes, combined with modern separators to double the electrolysis efficiency, tripling the hydrogen content in water. Alkaline and nitric electrolysis technology with 5 platinum-coated titanium electrodes, extremely powerful. Modern features help double electrolysis efficiency, triple hydrogen content, and the construction of electrode plates increases interaction with water, boosting electrolysis efficiency. Exclusively at Karaoke, hydro-ion technology is designed as a core system, allowing users to directly observe the electrolysis process that creates miracle alkaline hydro-ions. Especially 5 platinum-coated titanium electrodes produce various types of alkaline hydro-ion water with precise pH levels. With Karaoke KAE-88 Promax, you can easily give commands by voice. What is alkaline water? Designer flavors provide 3 temperature levels: 30 degrees for convenience, 99 degrees for cooking with border flow, 75-degree hot water, ideal for tea or coffee, water with venom at 45 degrees Celsius and daily drinking milk, alkaline hydro-ion water and cold alkaline hydro-ion water with a pH level up to 9 pMif and hydrogen content up to 13300 P OPB. ORP index up to 580 MAVI. Beneficial for enhancing body health, beautifying skin, and supporting the slowing of the aging process. The KAE-S88 Promax features IoTex technology for complete water filtration control. Its 12-volt 1-filter package with S-POP technology doubles capacity, lifespan, and boosts nitro-ion alkaline levels by 3 times, while purifying water with a UF membrane. Enhanced with the TH33 Nano Plus core for stable sweet taste and bacterial prevention in water. The S-Mapro B core set with smart fan-shaped core triples water contact, doubles filtration efficiency, extends lifespan to 12 months, saving up to 50% on replacement costs. Quick membrane replacement, fully refillable, 100 CPD, USA made. Filters up to 20 liters per hour. 6% water recovery rate, removes harmful substances efficiently. Medium category natural water, antibacterial, anti-reconstruction, robust strength, quality health product. Pure water at PCPM 6.1 standard, ensuring health, can be drunk directly without filtration. Example of 3 design styles. Minimalism. Luxury, modern, contemporary. Enhances the living space for families. Karofi offers a 36-month warranty, ensuring customers experience professionalism and expert standards.